Guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video we're going to be doing a hair reset wash day, and what that looks like is just me clarifying my hair, doing protein treatment, and restoring moisture into my hair. So let's get into it. So first I'm starting out with my Tresemme Moisture Rich Conditioner and my spray bottle with water to go ahead and detangle my hair. I have a dedicated detangling video, so I'm not going to go through this much with you guys. You can go ahead and watch that video. I'll leave a link below. The clips are sped up, so I'm not being rough with my hair. It's just, the video is moving a little bit faster than normal. So right here I am slowing things down a bit for you guys. I love the Tresemme conditioner. It provides so much slip and it's really affordable. I'm going to have my hair in 4 twists by the end of this, and then we're going to hop in the shower with my twist still in place because I like to wash my hair with them in like braids or twists. It helps to minimize any tangling. The longer your hair gets, the more prone you are to it tangling, especially when you're washing it. So I find that washing it in braids or twists helps to minimize that. Clarifying shampoo is the ORS Creamy Aloe Shampoo. It's my favorite clarifying shampoo. So I'm going to saturate my hair with some water. I'm going to lather twice with my clarifying shampoo and once with my moisturizing shampoo. On relaxer day and on clarifying days are the only times I'm shampooing my hair more than 2 times. On my regular wash day I just shampoo twice. But for clarifying, I need to first break down any product buildup, then actually clarify my hair and scalp. Then I go in with my moisturizing shampoo. So that's what you guys will see here. Up next, I'm going to go in with my moisturizing shampoo. It's my Design Essentials Honey Cream Moisture Retention Super Detangling Shampoo. This shampoo is really nice. It has lots of slip. I really love it. It's one of my favorite shampoos. I also forgot to mention that I am currently 4 months post relaxer. My last wash day that I uploaded on the channel was actually when I was 4 months post relaxer. That wash day was a little bit different though, so I will link that video down below if you guys want to check that out. But yeah, I'm 4 months post, so there's a lot of new growth here. So next we're going in with my ORS hair mayonnaise. This is my favorite protein treatment. It's a medium protein treatment, so it's not too heavy, but it gets the job done. I've been using this since my hair was natural, and that's over 10 years ago. Absolutely love this. I'm going to section my hair in four sections, then I'm going to split each section in two to make sure that every single strand gets coated, and then I'm gonna put them in four twists, go under my hooded dryer for 30 minutes. I actually needed to replace my microwave heat cap. That is what I usually use when I'm deep conditioning because it allows me to be around the house and do stuff. But it broke, so I'm waiting for the other one to come from Amazon. It's a little bit delayed because we had a snowstorm, so yeah, I'm gonna have to go on the dryer, which I hate because I feel like I can't do anything for 30 minutes, which might be a good thing, being a mom of twin toddlers, any amount of time that you can get to rest is actually golden. So next it's time to restore some moisture with my Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Mask. This is my absolute favorite. If you are not new here, then you already know this. I am going to be applying this the same way that I applied the hair mayonnaise before. Four sections. We're going to split those sections in two and then go ahead and go back under the dryer for 30 minutes. And we're coming back out to rinse it out and then we'll go into drying. Okay, guys, so by this time my boys needed my attention. I had a good run though for a while without them interrupting me, but I applied my leave-in conditioner and my ORS heat defense, put my hair into two twists, and allowed it to air dry overnight. So, this is me the following day with my hair air dried. My hair never ever air dries straight. No matter what we do, it's never gonna air dry straight. So, I have embraced the fact that my hair will always have some curls to it when it's air dried, and I absolutely love it now. So, this particular day, Mama had some errands to run, so I had to take my twist out and style my hair a bit. Then when I came home, I moisturized and sealed. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys. I absolutely love how my hair felt here. It felt really, really soft and moisturized, but strong. So definitely love the results of my wash day. Let me know what you guys did in your most recent wash day in the comments. So next I'm going to be applying my heat mist that you saw previously. It helps to add shine, lock in moisture, and tame any frizz. It's also infused with grapeseed oil. Super lightweight. I love, love, love this stuff. Mentioned it in my best products of 2021 video. So if you guys have not seen that videos yet, go ahead and check that out. But yeah, I'm gonna apply that, oil my scalp, and then style my. So this oil mixture that I'm using to oil my scalp here is one that I created myself. I'm going to make sure I go around my edges, the nape, everywhere is getting some oil, okay? Make sure you don't neglect any area of your head when you are oiling your scalp. And then we're going to go ahead later on and massage that in. Alright, y'all, so my hair went into a ponytail. I just twisted the end and kind of tucked it away because outside it's a little bit cold. When I came back home, I moisturized and sealed with my African Pride Olive Miracle Moisturizer and, of course, my Heat Defense Mist that I love. Put my hair into 4 twists and then I covered my hair up and went to bed. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.